Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve this percentage problem that many people fail to solve because what they do, they cancel out the percent with percent and 90 divided by 3 as 30, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. So 90% we can write it as 90 by 100 or 9 by 10. Similarly, 3% as 3 by 100. So now 9 by 10 by 3 by 100. So how can we solve this by this? So it becomes 900 by 3 times 10. Now in question, what you notice is question mark with percent sign. So you have to find your answer in terms of percent. So if you have 2%, then multiply by 100% also. So now cancel out the 0 with 0. So it's 90 multiply 100% by 3. That is 30 multiply 100%. That is 3000%. So this is the right answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.